Hello. Over the next few weeks, we're going to talk about something very important to new teachers, and whether you're a new teacher or a veteran teacher of 30 years, classroom management is something that all teachers have to be concerned about and be thoughtful about in our approach. And the modules that we're going to work on for the next few weeks are brought to us by the Iris Center, which is a national center, and what they're dedicated to improving education outcomes for all children, especially those with disabilities, aged birth through 21. And how they do it is they use evidence-based practices and interventions. We're going to explore a few of those evidence-based practices and interventions through these IRIS modules. So, as you can see, we are going to get in and dig into these modules, and they're very well organized. They're broken up into 5 steps: challenge, initial thoughts, perspectives and resources, wrap up, and assessment. And as you're working through each, I'll click on challenges to give you an idea. Has a short video about Mrs. Rawlinson's, who's a first year teacher who's worried about behavior management. What if her students don't listen? What's she going to do? So as you're working through these modules and different pieces of these stars, and you can always go back and forth as needed, you're going to have this outline, and the outline will help you work through each section: challenge, initial thoughts, as I showed you, and it gives you a little space to take notes. So you're encouraged to take notes, and the hope is that by the end, you will have your really a strong sense of your own classroom management plan. Um, and we're going to do that for 2 modules, and then again, you're going to use the same thing. You're going to have this note-taking device, which you'll turn in. But really, the meat of this whole thing is to develop your own classroom management plan. Thank you very much. There's going to be more instructions, but I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what we were doing and where we're heading. Thank you.